Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna. Guys, this is like the part of a very, very long series of conversations that I was having with Tyranno about trying to fix my laptop, particularly my keyboard, because I've been having some problems with some of the buttons. And I'm just here with Tyranno trying to fix some of their buttons right now. I would show you using the webcam, like how the buttons are messed up, but at the moment, my desk is a little bit cluttered, ATM, so I can't really show you much, but just trust me on this. I'm trying to get into the deep cleaning of trying to clean up this mess that we have here, because I recently ordered a multifunctional cleaning brush. I don't know if y'all can see that right there. It's a cleaning brush. It scrubs stuff. It gets underneath all those stubborn pores. So we're gonna do ourselves some deep cleaning. So yeah, Tyranno, can you hear me? Okay, yes. You were saying earlier about how we gotta make sure we pay attention more or less to the way we do things in the manuals, because I'm about to rub this isopropyl alcohol, and I don't know whether this thing might potentially mess up my keyboard. I'm kind of praying everything goes right and I don't get anything in my eyes. Okay, it's spraying. I sprayed all over that shit. Okay. Now I'm gonna take this and go. Oh, it's smooth. It's just sliding over this. Oh wow, it's smooth. I was expecting this to like be a little bit less delicate and hard. I'm just scrubbing. Smells dusty. I told Tyranno prior to this that I accidentally spilled olive oil on my laptop. So hopefully this gets rid of the olive oil. Sorry, on the keyboard. On the keyboard. I was eating one of them quick check sandwiches. To be fair, it was a really good sandwich. I believe it was a breaded chicken with some sriracha sauce, some mayonnaise, and some honey mustard. I do love the honey mustard. Honey mustard is a great flavor. Yo, Diego, what flavor do you prefer when it comes to like eating sandwiches? Would you rather go with like barbecue or honey mustard?
What?
I said, what's your favorite sandwich flavor or condiment to put on a sandwich? Because I like honey mustard.
I don't really like condiments.
Why not?
They just, yeah, I just don't like them.
Ah, okay. This brush is so thin. I probably shouldn't do that because it's probably contaminated with a bunch of stuff. There's like residue on my keyboard. Kind of looks slightly filthy. Filthy like that dude Frank. Oh man. Oh, you kind of broke up there. What'd you say?
I said I think I'm gonna call it a night.
Okay, all right, man. Have a great night. Nice chatting with you.
You too.
All right, I'm gonna continue this ASMR here. All right. So yeah, guys, it's just is Gene, still trying to mess with my ish. Let me just go on to the Logitech Brio and turn on my laptop. Ting. So yeah, transitioning, and then just get the ish from here. Full screen. All right, should be showing me. Now let me just turn this off and continue. So yeah, hopefully you like hearing my smooth voice trying to explain how to get residue and stuff like that off your laptop. Because I've had this laptop and I've had the keyboard for a while. I kind of bought it when I was like updating from like an old Dell Inspiron 15 laptop back in like 2019, 2020. I was browsing an article on a reputable website that offered discounts on PC gear, and one of the discounts they were offering was just like literally wholesale, just allowing you to like order a relatively recent order that you could order from a company called MSI. They were selling some of their laptops on a reputable reselling website. And so I threw down significantly less the money than it would have cost me to like buy it from their site. And within like a week or so, I got a package, and I got the laptop in the package. And this laptop in particular, the one that I'm running, it's an MSI. I wouldn't call it a Raider, but it was like a G something or other laptop. I would say the closest to it is a Raider. It was made in like 2018, I believe. I got it for a really decent price. It comes with a GT 2060 Super. This shit is super duper. It does what I want it to. I have relatively little issues trying to play current gen games. I'm looking for, stuff to play things like Ray Fantasio with, or like other games to my liking. To stream several games on Mame that I had an idea of like wanting to stream. That type of ish. If you like old retro style arcade games, like you've come to the right channel. This is the Alcantara Archives after all. We have a lot of material to pour over, so yeah, you guys better brush up with Uncle Gene and the cool Unk. Let nobody tell you otherwise. Alright, it looks like it's mostly fixed. It seems I have gotten all the junk residue, and these khaki shorts are kind of tingling, which means that I probably did something right. Let me just test some of their buttons. I got buttons here. Don't mind the stuff in the background. It's just like a series of things that I have. Let me see. Program, scene. Well, it's still recording, this part anyway. Let me see. Screen display. I changed the screen display to the monitor. Okay, wait. The Brio's there. If I do this and transition, would it still get rid of the stuff? What is it showing right now? Is it just showing this? If I turn off the Brio, that would probably be a bad idea. But right now I am just recording, hopefully, just me right now in this scene. And it shows like this scene and not just the screen display. Because that would be very unfortunate. Hold on, let me stop this just to see if I'm doing it right. So yeah, I ended up doing some more of the groundwork. Like in the meantime, I ended up reconstructing my keyboard after I took out a lot of the screws and ended up having to manually remember where to put my keyboard stuff on hand. It just has a special red color for the RGB keyboard lights because I also have the MSI laptop that I use in order to do my editing and other video stuff on. That's also conveniently red, and it also fits with the entire design of my room, more or less. Even though like everything's white over here. But yeah, if you guys want to see more IRL type stuff, more do-it-yourself type works that aren't like super edited in order to like cut out most of the fat and stuff like that, you can always like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. Take care. See you guys in the next video.